of sunshine. I've met her a couple of times and I have seen everything that she does, and I've never seen her cranky. She's always smiling, that 1,000-watt smile.
Thank you.
So where do you get all this happy energy?
I live in the moment. I think that's the most important thing. Living in the moment, not thinking about the past or getting bogged down by what's going to happen in the future. I live every second of every minute of every day like it's my last.
Wow. Is that something that you take from your dad? Because he's another person who's always happy energy. You never
Happy
really see him cranky.
No, I think it's him as well, and I think it's just an inherent personality trait that I've had since I was younger.
So it's genetic. We don't
It's
have
genetic.
any hope here.
No, everybody should be happy and happy with life and enjoying life and eating lots of food and
Eating lots of food, okay. There is a song of yours which actually epitomizes this happy energy.
Okay.
From Delhi 6, which is Masakali.
Yeah.
And you are the original Masakali. And you are in Delhi. So can we please see the Masakali step?
yes, of course.
I don't really know the step, but all of you can stand on your seats and dance. The Masakali step.
मसक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली मटक्कली मसक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली मटक्कली मसक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली मटक्कली.
I haven't done that in so long.
They want a little bit more, Sonam. That was too short. Little bit more. Again.
मसक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली मटक्कली मसक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली मटक्कली मसक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली मटक्कली मसक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली. जरा बंदू झटक गई धूल अटक और लचक मचक के दूर.
How totally fabulous is she? This living in the moment,
Yeah.
is it coming from a spiritual place?
Honestly,
Hey, come on, guys.
honestly, being in the moment, I don't know if it's spiritual. I just know that sometimes I just like to sleep really easy in the night. So I try not to do the wrong thing. I try not to be negative in any way. And I'm not a very religious person, but I could be called a spiritual person because I believe the only thing to do is be good.
Yeah.
So if that's what it is. So I think being happy is a state of mind, and if you're doing the right thing, there's nothing that can make you go down, because you can sleep well at night, and beauty sleep is what makes you happy, I think.
To me, it seems that you're a very warm person and you kind of radiate good energy and love. Is it because you are in love?
I'm not in love, unfortunately.
All of you have a chance.
I'm not not in love. I'm in love with life, and I believe there are different manifestations of love. It's not only romantic love that matters. It's love for your parents, love for your siblings, love for your friends, love for people, love for your pets. Love.
You're sounding like a Suraj Bhatia film.
I'm not. This is what I am. But honestly, I think romantic love gives you a different glow, for sure. But no, I'm not in love, guys.
Sonam, you've acted with the hottest men in Bollywood.
They're really hot.
Ranbir, Fawad Khan.
Fawad gets a louder shout out than Ranbir. Wow.
Most recently, Hrithik Roshan. And now, Salman Khan. How are you coping with all this hotness and not falling in love?
Well, I mean, most of them were or are in relationships when
Salman's not.
Salman's not, but most of them were. And the one thing that really puts me off in men, if they're in a relationship, it's just like then it's just like not happening. Then I'm just like, you've got somebody, and I don't want to like go into that space.
So then you're quite a commitment person, because
I'm
a lot
very
of people are attracted to that.
I can't. If somebody's committed, then you automatically become really unsexy to me.
But are you a romantic?
I'm a complete romantic. I'm very idealistic. I believe in ever after and soulmates and falling in love and sorry. I believe there's one person out there for me.
You haven't found that person.
I haven't found that person. I mean, there's a lot of trials and tons of errors, but eventually I think I'll find that person, right, guys? What do you think? Yeah.
New research shows that by age 28, you already have that person's mobile number, or he's a Facebook contact, or he's on your Twitter or LinkedIn or one of these.
No,
he's there.
No. I don't think so. That's weird. I don't want some like weird person stalking me on Twitter. I'm just like who I don't know.
You have many people stalking you on
Twitter.
Twitter.
Yeah, I know that. I know.
You get into quite a lot of Twitter trouble.
Yeah, I always get into trouble. That's like my thing, right? Getting into trouble.
So what is that big romance advice you would give out here?
The romance advice that I'd give out, I'm like the worst person to tell you what to do in a relationship. Not because of anything, it's just because I haven't obviously been in a successful relationship because I'm not with somebody at all. But one thing I've learned from my parents is that it should be easy and difficult at the same time. There should never be a point where you're like, this is not going to work out. It should always be like, I have to work this out because I can't see myself with anybody else. And each day will be difficult, but the decision to not walk out should be easy.
That's an awesome piece of advice. Okay, Salman, he's such a great friend of your dad. He's even acted with him, right? Yeah. He's a contemporary. Is it weird to romance
He's not
him?
his contemporary. I think my dad would love to hear that. But I think he comes to... He's a...
They're singing your dad's song. Okay, we're going to do that. Can you be quiet? We're going to do that. Give me 2 minutes. We're coming to that.
No, I have done this film called Savarya, which was my first film with Salman, and that was a romantic angle with Salman and I. I do end up with Salman Khan and not Ranbir Kapoor in my first film. And I think this was just an extension of that. That was like...
It's not weird.
It's not weird. Have you seen how hot he is? He's like...
So Salman just can't be anyone's uncle because he's too hot.
He's too hot. He's too bloody hot. And he smells so damn good.
He smells so damn good. What does he smell of, Sonam?
He smells like this musky, like gorgeous man smell. I'm just like, why do you smell so good? He's like, is that a thing? I was like, that is a thing. Because men usually, that's the thing about men. The most attractive thing, I think, with men is when they smell good and they, are well-groomed and clean and neat, and he's all of those things.
Wow. So what do you call him?
Salman.
You just call him straight Salman?
Salman, yeah, because it's sexy, right, Salman?
there's something brewing, right?
There's
Because he
nothing
is the only single man you've acted in. You love him. He's
Yeah.
super sexy. You're
But
like
I
remembering
think
his smell.
Yeah, but
This is reeking of love.
No, listen, I don't know anybody in India who is not in love with him, but honestly, I'm a fangirl more than anything else. So when you're a fangirl, you just like, you want to see the person and you put the person up on a pedestal. And honestly, whatever people say about him in terms of why people love him is absolutely true. He's an amazing person. Like, he does everything that he can for everybody. And
He's
whatever.
like you. You're kind of similar. I'm matchmaking here.
You're matchmaking me? I don't know if my dad's going to be okay with it. But I know one more thing. I don't know. I know never say never, but I don't know if I'd be okay with being with an actor.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you think that since we're talking so much about Salman, we can see the famous Matak from PRDP, as it's now famously called?
The Prem Ratan and Payo dub smash
yes.
bit. Okay, but guys, you need to all dance with me. Honestly, I honestly cannot do this alone.
Okay.
So,
You want to call a few people on stage?
a few people can come on stage. And Kali, you need to do this with me.
Yes, I can do this with Sonam and a few others. How are we
Yeah.
going to select these people?
Everybody wants to come on stage.
Okay. So, 6 girls. Or can we have boys?
Boys!
Captain, please get them off. All right, now, thank you, girls. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Can I hug you?
Yeah. No.
Come.
Okay. Sonam, what's the best tip for a selfie since so many of them were taking selfies with you?
The best tip for a selfie? I don't know if you guys have seen, but I'm really horrendous at taking selfies.
Excuse me, can you please get off stage?
I don't know how did that happen?
That was not scripted, but it was pretty good.
How do
Okay.
you take a selfie? I don't know. Do people follow me on Instagram here? Who doesn't follow me on Instagram? You don't follow me on Instagram? You follow me on Instagram. Okay, I don't know if you guys have noticed, I don't take that many selfies. I do? Okay. I think it's just to smile really wide. That's my fail-safe thing. That's what I do. Or like give a kiss to the camera. But no, I'm not a very good selfie-taking person.
Okay, so
Yeah.
your PRDP moves were fantastic.
Thank you.
And there's a very nice flat torso in all of those shots. So
Kelly,
what
thank
did you
for
do?
appreciating.
Yes. Did you
Um,
starve for many days?
No, I didn't starve. I've had
Truth,
this conversation.
truth, Sonam, truth or dare?
I'm telling you, I became vegan for a really long time, and that made me lose a lot of weight. And also, I had something called swine flu in between.
Swine flu.
Yeah, I had swine flu. I was in the ICU, and I was very, very
You were
unwell.
celebrating. Yes, I'm losing weight without
That's
doing
not a good way to
anything.
lose weight. Honestly, it attacked my lungs, and I was very, very sick actually for a really long time. And after that, it's been very difficult for me to gain weight again.
Where can you get swine flu?
You can't. You know, a lot of
Okay.
people don't survive it, but I was actually mostly unwell. Yeah.
So what's the top tip of losing weight without being unwell? Because Diwali is coming up, and everyone wants to look good for Diwali.
Don't have mithai that much. I think it's just eating healthy, eating frequently, and not having fried and meatha. That's the easiest, and exercising.
When do you let go?
When do I let go?
Yeah.
Once in a while, I do let go. I enjoy letting go on the weekends. Yeah.
Every weekend?
No, once in a while, because I'm working mostly. We don't have Saturdays and Sundays.
No
Yeah.
weekends.
No weekends.
Okay, I know you don't have the bums anymore
Okay.
because you're looking amazing and
Thank
you're
you.
vegan.
Huh.
But can we do your famous Injan ki seeti bum dole?
Yeah. I'm really dancing. I thought I was going to come and have a conversation, but everybody just wants me to dance, huh? That's an amazing thing.
No,
guys.
you're giving amazing tips. They're going to take so much away, aren't you guys?
Anjan ki city. Okay.
This girl, इनकी स्माइल है झगास, इनकी इनकी हाइट है झकास. And she has a झकास advice to you. You should wear heels. जितनी heels हो सके पहनो ताकि महिलाओं को हम सर उठा के देखें. And we have a signature step of your dad.
Oh. This outfit wasn't made for dancing.
Okay, you can give us a pose then. Since it was made for posing. Everyone get your cameras out. Go. Now, this pose needs to be something a little bit more elaborate with that big chunni and all. Okay guys, that's the pose. So Sonam Kapoor for you. Go and watch her movie.
Thank you.
She's going to be doing all those steps there.
Thank you. Thank you for having me, and be happy, be beautiful, and be good.
Oh, we need to give away some CDs.
Oh, I do?
Signed by Sonam. Okay.
I'm a really bad thrower.
Go there and just throw them. That might be the best thing. To get the energy going.
You're the best dressed girl.
Oh. Sorry, I have to ask you to do one last task. There are some very pretty girls here who have got ready for you, and they want you to give them a few style tips and choose one of the best among them and give them an award. So, our own local ramp and catwalk.
I don't believe in judging anybody for the way they dress, but I will definitely give them tips. And I think everybody's a winner.
I agree.
Hi.
Okay.
You all look beautiful, by the way. Very beautiful.
Some style tips?
Some style tips. You are very chic. It's fine. You don't need to do anything more. Just stand straight and be happy. Okay?
Yay.
Yeah. Extremely chic. Very, very nice. Very cool. Again, there's no style tip needed for her either. Very lovely. Sweetheart, very chic, very nice. I love the way you dress up. Leave your hair open. Because you have a beautiful, face. Again, you're just casual, right? Casual, chic, and I think it looks very cool. You too. Aren't you feeling cold in those cups? It's cold, right, in Delhi right now?
Not when you're here, Sonam.
But I think all are looking lovely. Very, very lovely. And the one thing that I can tell you all about style and fashion is that nobody's right or wrong. It's just about enjoying yourself and being comfortable and being hygienic.
Hygienic. She's really into the smell thing, guys.
Just be yourself, guys. It's not about anything else.
Sonam, I know you like to be politically correct and everyone's loving.
You think I like to be politically correct?
Well, at least with your fans.
Yeah.
But you have to choose two.
One? I have to choose two? Okay, fine. Sweetie, I love the way you're dressed. I love the way you're dressed as well. And you all are very beautiful. I'm sorry, you only got me 2 presents.
I wanted to put you a little
Can I give hugs to
uncomfortable.
the last
Yes,
three?
go
Okay.
ahead. Then the others may want to return their gifts. See, this is what I mean about Sonam being Sunshine. Do you think she should rename her name Sunshine Kapoor? It's so Delhi, Sonam, to be called Sunshine. Thank you. Thank you, girls. All right, people, can we have a quick round of applause, please? The most sporting Sonam Kapoor, and I'd like to call upon Mr. C. Parameshwaran, Director, Corporate and Industry Relations, to come up on stage and present you with a small token of our appreciation. Where are the claps? Guys, can we get the applause going? How often do you see someone as sporting as Sonam?
कमाल करते हो. अरे इतना एंटरटेन किया तुम्हें सोनम ने. एक बार जोर से तालियां हो जाए सोनम के लिए प्लीज. बेस्ट ड्रेस तो मेरे लिए यही है यार. You're looking gorgeous. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sonam.
तो जिन पे हमें बहुत है गुरूर, ये थी हमारे साथ सोनम कपूर. Big round of applause once again, ladies and gentlemen.